In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your status on Slack, whether you're on a break, in a meeting, or simply looking to provide an update on your availability. Setting a status in Slack is a quick and useful way to communicate with your team. The process is simple and only takes a few moments, so let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to your Slack workspace. Open your preferred web browser and go to Slack's official website. Slack is a great tool for managing work and collaboration, and you'll need to be signed in to access your workspace. If you're not already logged in, look for the Sign in with Google option on the login page. Clicking this will prompt you to use your Google account credentials to gain access, which is a secure and convenient way to sign in. Once you've signed in, you'll find yourself on the Slack dashboard. This is your central hub for all team interactions and channels within your organization. Now, to start updating your status, locate your profile icon, which is typically in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on your profile will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to find and select Update Your Status. This option allows you to set a brief message visible to your colleagues. It's a useful feature for letting everyone know your current activities or if you're temporarily out of reach. After selecting Update Your Status, you'll see a selection of predefined statuses to choose from. These are common options like in a meeting, working remotely, or on a break. You can choose one that best fits your situation or create a custom status by typing into the provided field. Custom statuses are great for more specific or personalized updates. You can also add an emoji to your status, which can add a fun and expressive touch to your message. Now that you've decided on a status, click the button that says Set a Status. This confirms your selection and prepares it to be shared with your workspace. Make sure it reflects your current availability or any important information you want to convey. Finally, don't forget to hit Save. Saving your status makes it visible to others, ensuring your team is informed of your current status. It's a simple step, but crucial to complete the process. By following these instructions, you can effectively communicate your status within your Slack team, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Whether you're stepping out for lunch or diving into focused work, setting a status helps manage expectations and keeps team communication smooth. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay connected and happy collaborating.